You've got a pile of documents and a presentation due. NotebookLM can take everything in your notebook, your PDFs, your notes, your research, and turn it into a full slide deck in under 2 minutes. Let me show you exactly how. First, make sure you have at least one source uploaded in your notebook. Without a source, no slides can be generated. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, Google Slides, website URLs, or YouTube transcripts. Click Upload Files, then select the documents you want. All your sources need to be checked on, the little checkboxes on the left. Anything unchecked won't be included in the slide generation. Now look at the studio panel on the right side. You'll see the slide deck option. Click it. Before you generate, you get 4 settings to customize the output. This is where you get a deck that's actually useful instead of generic. Format. Choose Detail Deck for text-heavy slides that stand on their own, like something you'd email to someone who wasn't in the room. Or choose Presenter Slides for clean, visual slides with just the key talking points, more like a TED-style deck you present live. Length, short is 5 to 8 slides. Default is around 10 to 12. Language, pick the language you want the slides generated in. And prompt, this is the most important one. Type your instruction here, tell your audience, your focus, your tone. Create a 10-slide executive summary deck for a director-level audience. Focus on key decisions, risks, and next steps. Use a professional, direct tone. Click Generate. NotebookLM builds the deck in the background. It usually takes a few minutes. You can keep working in your notebook while it generates. You don't have to sit and wait. When it's done, the deck appears in the studio panel. Click the title to open it. Scroll through. Each slide is pulled directly from your sources. No hallucinated content, no generic filler. Everything here came from what you uploaded, with the visual design handled by Google's Nano Banana Pro image model. Now here's the editing workflow. You can't manually drag and drop elements like in PowerPoint. The slides are visually rendered by an AI image model. But you can revise any slide by telling NotebookLM what to change. Click the pencil icon next to the deck title in the studio panel. You'll see each slide with an input box. Click into any slide and type your revision instruction. Make this more concise, 3 bullet points maximum. Add the Q3 revenue figure from the sources to this slide. Batch your changes. Write instructions on multiple slides before you hit generate again. Every revision regenerates the full deck, so do them all at once rather than one at a time. That saves you time and stays within the revision quota. Once the deck looks right, click the 3-dot menu next to the title in the studio panel. You get 2 options. Download as PDF exports the full deck as a PDF file, clean, shareable, ready to send. And as of February 2026, you can also export directly as a PPTX file, a fully editable PowerPoint. Take it into Google Slides or PowerPoint and polish it from there. That's the full workflow. Free at notebooklm.google.com. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.